Hey guys, my name's Nick, and today we're going to be talking about RV electrical protection and the products we recommend to help protect your RV from electrical damage. A lot of our customers aren't aware of the importance of having some form of electrical protection on their RV. When going to an RV park, you may encounter some sort of surge or a miswired pedestal. This can lead to damage to the inverter or any appliances plugged into the RV, which can be very expensive or time-consuming to repair. There are many manufacturers of surge protection. Here at the ABYC, we carry Southwire Surgeguard. Whether it be hardwire, plug-and-play, or transfer switches, Southwire offers a wide variety of different surge protection.
The 50 and 30 amp plug-and-play Surgeguard protects against a multitude of electrical issues and also includes a new, brighter LCD display, protects against low and high voltage, overheating receptacle, and a miswired pedestal.
While the 30 and 50 amp plug-and-play units provide easy accessibility and convenience, if you're looking for a more cost-friendly alternative and don't mind doing the installation yourself, I would recommend going with the 50 and 30 amp hardwired surge protection.
The 50 and 30 amp hardwire surge protectors features include continuous monitoring and display of voltage and amp draws, automatic reset on power restoration, and protects against open ground, open neutral, and high neutral current.
Not only is the hardwired unit a more cost-friendly option, but it also provides gen protection when installed between the transfer switch and the panel. If you're looking to add a little bit more protection or to upgrade, you can also look at Southwire Surgeguard's transfer switches.
The 50 amp and 30 amp automatic transfer switch made by Southwire Surgeguard features include open neutral protection, reverse polarity protection, time delay at power up, and basic surge protection.
No matter what type or size of RV you have, purchasing some form of surge protection will not only give you peace of mind, but it will also save you time and money in the long run. To purchase these products we talked about today, visit the links in the description below or our website, inverterservicecenter.com. We'll see you next time.